Gradework Materials Underground. Export to Expert Estimation. Gradework Materials and Underground has added the ability to export the materials and structures reports to an Excel file compatible with your expert estimation software. In collaboration with Prodemics, we've developed a template that seamlessly integrates with your expert estimation project. This means you can now directly import your takeoff quantity reports into expert estimation in one simple workflow. In order for the reports to meet the correct criteria, you must enter the structure and material codes that match your estimating database. Cost codes for both structure and materials are essential when importing the template into your expert estimation project. You can export these from your existing database or your bill of quantities. To enter your updated cost codes in materials, select Edit, then Codes. Enter the codes as required or import your codes using our CSV import tool. Please note, when entering the material codes, you must select the wildcard for the structure code and vice versa when entering the structure codes. The expert estimation export currently applies to the structures summary reports in Materials and Underground. To begin, click the Export to Excel button, name your file, and save it. For all new installations with no custom templates saved, the expert estimation template will already be loaded into your report templates list. Select the template and check the Include Summary Totals box. Click Export to save your file. However, if you have already created your own custom templates in Materials and Underground, you will need to create the expert estimation template manually. To manually create a new report template, simply select the Structure Summary Report to display the default items. Deselect the color, label, and sequence from the list of report items as they are not required in the template. We now need to ensure that our template has the correct Excel column order. You can drag and drop items to reorder, and the order should be as follows. Column A, Structure. Column B, Type. Column C, Material. Column D, Phase. Column E, Class. Column F, Measure. Column G, Section. Column H, Multiplier. Column I, Quantity. Column J, Unit. Column K for the structure code. And lastly, column L for the material code. Save your template, name it, and click OK. Finally, check the Include Summary Totals box and click Export to save your file. This report will now seamlessly import into your expert estimation project using the AGTEK import tool.